Here you go, Racky. I know how much you like wieners.
I can't help you at the moment, dude. I'm a little indisposed.
Penny, you sure you want to eat right now? I was thinking about going for a walk.
I'm so hungry, I could eat a damn dog.
Hi, can I touch you? Oh, okay.
You're adopted. Yeah, you're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
This is my new carpet. It's new! Come on, man! No!
No, you're not getting it right now. No.
Going for a walk.
Dodge, can you spot a dumbass bitch?